Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to comment photo on TikTok. Now if you want to comment the photo on TikTok but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to comment a photo on your friend's TikTok or your family member's TikTok but you don't know how to do it, so you need to open the TikTok app on your device. So make sure that you have installed the TikTok app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So let's say if I want to comment photo on this TikTok app, then I need to simply go on the video I want to comment and I need to click on the comment icon or the comment section. So after that this will open, and here if you want to reply with the photo, then you need to simply long tap on the comment you want to reply with, and there you will see the option of translate, copy, reply with video, or add to favorite. So you may click on the option of reply with video. So if you want to reply with your own video, then you will see the option of photo like icon at the very bottom right of the page. So you may click on it. Now you need to select the photo you want to reply with. So let's say I simply want to reply with this, then I need to click on the photo and I need to click on the option of next. So after that, if I click it on the option of next, then the photo will be commented out on the TikTok comment. That's it. That's how you can comment photo on TikTok. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.